Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products. I am with Alex from Power Stroke Products. You're in the house, you brought some awesome stuff today. We're gonna talk about what's in these fancy red boxes. What do you got in here?
Today I brought up some cylinder head gasket sets.
Okay.
One of the big things during COVID, we could not sell any cylinder heads due to a lack of gaskets out there, so that led us to manufacture our own gaskets and be paired up with our cylinder heads to be sold as a kit.
There looks like there's a lot more than just a gasket in these boxes.
Absolutely, it is a complete gasket set. We sell them with and without injector wiring harnesses. I know there's a lot of great kits out there. We also offer some, you can get oversized gaskets, whether you wanted a standard size gasket or a 10 over gasket, so you milled your head down or, have a incorrect piston protrusion or valve face depth. We offer a line of gaskets that'll save you a hell of a lot of money in machining.
Right, so this is 100% complete, everything you need, no additional parts necessary.
Everything is there, EGR gaskets, injector seals, anything that is emission compliant everything's in there, from the manifold to the downpipe. That's
awesome. And then as far as variety of the gaskets and these style of kits that you have to offer, what ranges are you covering? Is it just Ford? Is it just Dodge? Is it?
No, we offer a full line, everything from Duramax 2001 to the current L5P. On our Duramax lines, we offer a full gasket, complete gasket set with head gaskets included. The Grade C is the only gasket we offer, being as that's the most popular item for the Duramax guys. On the Cummins, we offer a full line from 89 to current. Dodges, I know there's a lot of people out there that do not have the 2019 plus Cummins cylinder head gasket kits, so we do offer a full line of those. On the Power Stroke, we offer everything from a 6 liter up to a 2024 6.7 Ford.
Oh wow. Is there one that stands out among all of them that is your most common one you sell?
It's a tie between the 6.7 Cummins and the 6 liter. They both have the same issues.
I figured. Well, among all of the other things they have to offer, these are, like we said, complete gasket kits that everything you need comes in these kits. You can get them at Diesel Power Products among all of the other products that Power Stroke Products has to offer. Click the link in the description, click on the bio, and thanks for coming out. We love having you.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it.